Many teachers made positive differences in my life. There was one particular teacher, his name was Tom Dunn. He was a history teacher and he was an English teacher. And I was a dyslexic boy. And that time, if you couldn't spell, you were probably dismissed as being, a bit foolish or a clown. And that was very, very difficult. And he set me free from that as well. With him, it didn't matter. If you had an idea, that was the thing that mattered. He had that power to inspire. And there's always a light bulb moment when you meet these sorts of people. And Tom Dunn was the first one of those people that I met. I remember distinctly, he walked into a history class and said, Bernadette Devlin, who's 21, has just been elected to the Parliament at Westminster. And let me tell you why this is significant. Without those inspirational moments in a small classroom in Cork City, without the influence and the inspiration of a teacher like Tom Dunn, I think my pathway in life would have been very, very different. So, I'm very, very grateful to him. And what he gave me was a priceless insight to continue learning for the rest of my life.